Bar the bell housing bolts, there's only one, actually one more thing. I'm such a hard!
What's the progress?
Bar the bell housing bolts, there's only one, actually one more thing really, it needs to come off.
Clutch cable.
Oh, here, you need to get these off the starter. Oh wait, they are on.
There's nothing on the starter.
Yeah, so everything's off bar.
And we're going to do it proper because we've got ratchet straps. It's better to buy it over there, nobody uses fucking seatbelts. Same idea. The snout of the water pump is going to clear.
At the top of the thing.
Unless we can get it high enough to allow us to go back and then over. I don't really know. I have no idea.
We don't know how far out. I would say not much forward room do we have to even have half an inch.
Yeah. Well, like we can tell
We're against the bottom.
Oh.
Yeah, we're against that. No, is the shock's being too long and maybe not getting enough over. Yeah. But the big one's pretty fucking high up. Is alright. Just a clearance. What? These two? Yeah. What are those go to?
No idea. Soon find out.
You'll know because one of them's just pulled itself out of the thing. Yeah.
I think we're clear.
Yeah. Here, use get it if it's don't want it to swing too much. I'm such a hard! I think it's out for 20 minutes, so you're a big girl.
Oh, so this is going to leave early. So we're not.
No, we're trying to up higher now.
So we're not fucking
Not spot.
relying on our knock time stuff. Or do you want something pop plywood up? Well, with a bit of luck, last thing you would have seen would have been the engine coming out of Jared's Volvo. I think he's actually been down. He's been down, took all the accessories and stuff off, and take manifold knobs off and all the rest, so nearly ready for a bit of a clean. So I think a game plan for this. As I say, it's got the rebuild, forged rods and a few other nice odds and ends. We'll probably turn that into a bit of an episode. Well, there we have it anyway, fellas. That's a wrap for this one. Let's New Year's Eve at 3:30, so I'm gonna fucking head home and get sorted out. So, like I say, let's the engine out of the Volvo. It's gonna get a bit of a rebuild, forge rods, all the rest, ARP head studs and a few other bits and pieces. Sort of get back down after the break here, and we'll sort of run you through all the bits that Jared has and sort of the plans for it. Anyways, have a good one. Thanks for watching, and yeah, here's the 2022 big things. Like I said, we'll bring you along. Have a good one. Take it easy.